Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to today's video where I'm going to be talking about the Moto G7 and what I think about this phone after it being sort of in my possession. Initially, I had a family member using it and I went ahead and took over the device to use it for a few days and just kind of get my initial thoughts about this device. And so I gotta say, I am pleasantly surprised about the Moto G7. Just the way that the phone performs and how it feels in hand is the very minute things about it, but the user experience is what really got me. However, you guys can take a look at the specs here and I'll continue on with my opinion. But let's go with what everyone's concerned about these days, which is how the device feels in hand. And when I held it in my hand, I just had this sense that Motorola really did not think of this phone in mind to being a mid-tier budget device. And so the materials that they use to build out the phone makes it feel, I guess for some people, to be better. If you're looking for that premium feel, then you'll definitely get that with the Moto G7. It is no slouch when it comes to that area. However, if you guys know me, I am all about user experience. And so the user experience has been phenomenally good. I am impressed with how well it performs, considering the fact that it is a mid-tier device. Another good thing here is the cameras, and so I'm going to go ahead and play you guys a quick clip. Sorry guys, I don't have any food today. This is the Moto G7's rear camera for video, and this is the audio from the microphone itself. I wish I had some bread to give you guys. I really do wish I had some bread, but I don't have anything. You want to come over to my house? I got 2 dogs and 2 cats. I can use 2 ducks. That'd be 6 pets. Look at that pigeon just trying to low-key move in. Alright guys. So we're going to walk a little bit more of the park itself, just to see how the image stabilization is. I don't think there really is any, so you might see a lot of bounce effect. And so the cameras do very good. Low lighting is not the best, but that's what I expect from a mid-tier device such as this. Now let's talk about battery life. Battery life on this device is actually fairly good. 3,000 milliamp hour battery pretty much gets me through my day. My day consists anywhere between 8 to 10 hours away. So it can last that amount and still have enough juice to hold off for the rest of the evening when I get home before I crash for the night and have to plug it into the charger. The only caveat I have to the Moto G7 is that it does not have NFC. That is one big disappointment, as the Moto G6 had NFC. I'm not sure why they didn't include it with the Moto G7 from Google Fi. Audio handles anything that I throw at it. When you're spoiled with the Pixel 3's audios, it may not have that bass and clarity, but it is loud enough without distortion, and so I still give it a big thumbs up for that. Gaming on this device, I can throw any game on there that I want. I don't play PUBG, so I don't use that to demo gaming, but Pokemon Go, Super Mario Run, Speedy Ninja, Swamp Attack, I play those games and it handles everything just fine. No stutter, no glitchiness in the display, none of that stuff. It handles it all very well. Now I'm really glad that Moto did not put the rectangular notch on this thing. It has the teardrop notch for the front-facing camera, but it's not something that I do backflips over. Aesthetically, it's okay, but when it comes to smartphones for me, I really judge it based upon how it performs. You can give me the most beautiful looking phone, and if it runs like crap, I'm going to tell you it runs like crap. And the Moto G7 is not a slouch in any way. So if you're actually debating on whether you should pick this device up, in my approval, I'd say yes. It's definitely worth it. Even without the NFC, it's still definitely worth it. And I can tell that Motorola really put some thought into making this device. And so if you guys have any more questions, you guys know what to do. Comment them down below. Ask your questions there. I'll try to apply as much as I can. I'll probably make a follow-up video for it. If you just found this channel, go ahead and do me that favor and hit the subscribe button, as well as the bell option to know when I upload. Drop a like if you guys enjoyed today's mini review. And as always, everybody, aloha.